How's it going, y'all? Welcome to today's video. We are back at it again with a total Tacoma, and well, this episode we have a lot of stuff to cover, so we're gonna get right into it. And I hope you guys enjoy episode number 2 of the total Tacoma. We are about to pull the frame out, get a bunch of stuff done and off the car, and see where we are at the end of this video. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Let's start the intro. Let's get it done. Alright, Quinn, so I'm gonna have you take all of these bolts off. Maybe I did. Okay, cool. Yeah, these are all 10, so go ahead and take all that off.
Are you definitely gonna take off the sensor from the airbag?
Yeah, we're loosening it so that it is off.
Nothing's gonna happen.
No, nothing's gonna happen. It's fine. Doesn't make anything messy. Like what I'll do is I'll just take this off and then I'll just like throw it back in.
I hope the body shop knows what they're doing.
So what we're gonna do, and that's the reason why we don't leave it on there, because when we're keeping those, because when body shop sends it back, we'll have all the bolts, because body shops will lose all bolts, and it's just frustrating because it's like, dude, there's one job and all of my bolts are gone now. So yeah, it's not fun at all.
Who was with us? It was me, you,
And JJ.
just the three of us?
Yeah, it was just the 3 of us because we did it right over there and it was running.
JJ was like, oh, I just fixed the coolant system or a coolant hose or something, and he started like revving the car. He was like, I'm sitting there looking at it, and it literally, the coolant hose blows off and sprays me like head to toe with
sprayed
coolant.
you and me, and I was like, bro,
Sprayed me. Like, I got slimed on Nickelodeon, dude.
Nice. All right, cool. So not completely full, so that's good.
EPA violations.
We'll have that where we're going. This way into it. Ah, there we go. Here, hold that. Now for that, I can just do this.
Oh, there it goes. It's really red too.
Yep. Food, baby.
Just put a bunch of that in there, like a clog seal. It's like, I don't know what it is about the older Tacomas or the older Toyotas, but I just love them so much.
Yeah, honestly.
Like, you know, something about the aesthetic of an older Toyota is just
So nice.
It's so nice. Like,
And they're so easy to work on.
Yeah.
And that thing sounds sick because the previous owner put a little.
Put a pretty bitch in
So
tip.
what is part of the bracket called?
This? So this is a so this is where the impact port went. So this is actually the frame right here. What I'm taking this bolt off is this is the frame. Yeah, the thing is this detaches from the front apron though.
Yeah.
So everything with Toyotas, like I said, are like Legos. So they literally just come apart really easily. But like in the video when I said, oh hey, 50, 50, 50, 250, 200 bucks right there, that's why they do it, because everything is
Like, it fits
separate.
nicely. We make it easy for you, but
You have to pay the price for everything, which is kind of sucks, but at the same time is not terrible. Dude, that paint on that hood is so bad. It's coming off. That's the one thing I can't stand about Toyotas is their paint jobs are just
they're pretty bad.
so ass. I'm gonna have to take a grinder to this one because there's no way for me to get this off unless, well, we can pull it too, but still it's just not gonna be able to come off unless I grind it off. All right guys, we're gonna do some sketchy stuff, so enjoy. I was just gonna ratchet it with the thing. This is what we call a man versus car. Who is gonna win?
Actually bent it though. Like,
Yeah.
You actually bent that.
Here. Okay. Let's see what happens. You know, I'm gonna put it into gear just in case. This is a trick that a lot of people don't realize. So you do this and then you hit it. Hit the points so that when you release it, it stays.
Stays right.
Yeah, because if not, it'll just woof, go back.
Shoot.
But if you hit it, like this is what bodywork is that they're basically tapping it out so that it takes, the structure takes like basically
Different form.
a hold.
Yeah.
It holds onto it, and then you're good. All right, cool. Sweet! That's exactly what I needed to do.
So what we're doing in this clip is we're trying to pull the radiator support out so we can get to the fan shroud as well as the AC condenser and also the radiator itself, because it was so pinched that we didn't have access to anything. So that's what we're doing right now, and it worked out really well, as you'll see in the next clip. So let's go ahead and check out what we do next.
Please, I need it! These are the boys!
The insider info.
Something's gonna fall in our load.
Well, you know, I gotta time lapse this whole thing, bro. The music on this video is gonna be the whole video.
I'll make you.
Oh my god. Watch this.
Oh, uh-oh.
Oh, shit.
So there's a fan in the way. Big fan.
Big fan. Hey, Tacoma,
Is it
I'm
the
a big
biggest
fan.
I don't know if it's the biggest fan.
Well, it's smaller now. He pulled off chunks of it.
It was a big fan at one point, but now it's not the biggest fan
Can you
anymore.
even reuse this shroud, or do you want to just cut it where it's already broken?
Oh, I'm totally gonna duct
Yeah.
tape.
Duct tape for
Can't
sure.
duck it.
Perfect, dude.
Yeah.
They call them half mast. They put them in the box.
Hell yeah, brother.
Hey, brother.
Let's see if this will come off.
Wonderful.
Hey, dude, looks like one of them removable steering wheels.
Hell
Shit,
yeah.
You like need that on there.
Quick release.
Removable steering wheel.
The quick release. It isn't really a quick
Oh, the
release.
fan looks.
So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take everything off that the frame shop doesn't need, because the thing is they're just gonna not take anything. But the thing is, I'd rather us have more things than they have, so that when we
You don't
come
have
back
to put it
together, we don't have to, you know.
And make their jobs easier.
Yeah, and make our jobs easier.
I should, dude. I wish I had a GoPro when I was fixing your camera, because I had that thing in so many parts and still got it to work.
That's the thing I love about us, is that we can make something not running run, and then running not run.
There you go.
Nice.
Hey, it's a radiator. So rad, bro.
Section out of it, you know.
If we get this dropped, this whole thing will free up.
Were you able to call them?
Yeah,
Haha.
You got it?
Yep.
they don't.
All right, guys. So we are pretty much wrapped up on this. We got the radiator out and the AC condenser, as well as the fan shroud and the clutch fan. So we got a lot of stuff out of this. So super stoked on that. And we're gonna tackle this bar next, because there's just a bunch of spot welds. We did get the seam seal off, which was super sick, and then we got the body mount bushings off, as well as the supports that go in the back. So all in all, a lot of good work today, a lot of really just good progress, and I'm hoping that by next video we're going to take all the spot welds out. We're going to go ahead and get some drill bits so that we can actually drill them out properly and get them, you know, out the right way, instead of destroying all of our, you know, drill bits we have that are just multi-purpose ones. And then hopefully after that, this will go back to the frame shop and they will do what they got to do. Also, what we're going to try to do is we're trying to take all the stuff out of the engine bay as possible, just so that the frame shop doesn't have to take anything out unnecessarily, because the more stuff they're going to take out, the more stuff they might forget. It's looking pretty good, and I'm really glad that these guys are being able to get together and put this thing together as best as possible. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm really glad that we got another day of work on it, and the saga continues of the totaled Tacoma. And don't forget to like and subscribe, just so you guys can see the end of this series, because I'm going to tell you right now, this truck is gonna be night and day different. So really can't wait for the transformation. I know my buddy Quentin over there is stoked on it as well. So we're gonna go ahead and call it there. And I'm super stoked that you guys took around. Let me know in the comments what you guys think of the Tacoma videos. I wasn't planning on doing it, but the best content for me is the ones that aren't planned. So that being said, guys, see you guys in the next one. Thank you guys so much for watching again. And always remember, never forget, always stay positive and stay true to who you are. Gee, let's get it done. All right, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Kaden, peace, lates, bye, shoots.